to use private space on Nothing Phone 4a Pro, just start by opening the settings, move for security and privacy, and right now you have to go for a private space. Then you will have to unlock with your password or fingerprint, click continue, and now it will take a few moments until it will set this up. Now we have to select to use screen lock, or if you want to use completely new, you have to click below, but for me I want to actually use the same as my screen lock, so I will not gonna forget this. Now it's set, so if we want to locate a private space we have to swipe right from the launcher drawer. So now we have to click done, and now as you can see we are in the private space. What we can do, we can simply set some files to be private, photos, also the Google Chrome for example, so we can open, it will like copy Google Chrome actually. We got also the private camera, and we can also private applications. So let's say I want to private my WhatsApp, and now let's go back and let's see if it works. Yeah, as you can see the WhatsApp is not here anymore. It's actually hidden in my private space, but of course now I cannot reach it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.